How to place an order pickup order in Target. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step guide in order to place an order for pickup. We'll go through it like we're doing it together so you can follow the steps. So we can open up Chrome and go to target.com. You can do so same in the application. You can open up the app if you're using one and log in into your Target account. If you're not signed in, you can sign in. And you can search for the items that you would like to buy. For example, some of these items are this, or you can use the search at the top and add the products to the cart. So click on add to cart and we have these options. Now on the product piece, check if the product says order, pickup, or available for pickup. So we have pickup, delivery, shipping, etc. You need to select this first option called pickup. After that, click on this option called add to cart and add it to your cart. You can just go over and do. You can follow the same process for other products as well. Find the product that you would like to add and select this option for pickup here. Once it is done, you can just go over and click on this option called add to cart and add that product to your cart. After that, continue shopping. And once it is done, we can just go over and click on the cart option in the top right corner and you will be taken to the checkout page. You can just go over and click on checkout and make sure this is on shipping or order pickup. You can just go and click on this order pickup and make it for order pickup, and same goes for other products as well. Make it for order pickup, and before you select your preferred store, you can change it here if you need it, and you can select a pickup date time that works best for you and check it out. After it is done, you can check it out, click on place order and check out. You'll be getting an email or app notification when your order is ready. You can go to the Target store that you've selected and show your order confirmation to the team member, and they will hand you your items, and that's done. And you can follow this process as well. It takes usually 1 to 2 hours, sometimes same day, and you will be able to place an order pickup order in the Target. So that's it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.